Have you ever had your arm tired out from holding your phone while trying to capture a fun moment? I felt ya. Enter Samsung's latest gem, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 AI phone. Picture me hiking through Redwood Forest. While my old phone struggled, my new Flip 5 stayed put on a tripod, filming every magical moment hands-free. No FOMO here, just pure enjoyment. Let's talk selfies. Open or closed, this baby let me sneak peek my shots on the cover screen and nail the perfect pose. Boomerang or portrait mode, count me in every single time. Multitasking? Oh yes, Flex Window has been a lifesaver. I texted my buddies, swapped playlists, and took photos all with just one hand. It feels like having a minion helper. My pockets? Surprisingly spacious. Sliding the Flip 5 in is a breeze. Its compact size makes it so light, fitting right in, whether I'm heading to class or off to brunch. And let's not forget AI search. It's like having Siri on steroids. Notes summarized, calls.